What's up, everyone? My name is Hien Huynh. I've been a dancer, performer, teaching artist in the Bay Area for the last 5 years. Coming at you vlog style. So sharing you with a little bit of what we'll be doing this summer. We'll be learning and sharing with one another. I'll be leading us through hip-hop history. And within hip-hop, we'll be exploring breakdance, poppin', and alongside, we'll be diving into creative movement, in which we'll be drawing, free writing, and playing theater games to create movement from our lived experiences. And a little bit of why I love what I do is because through movement, I began to explore the many different connections within my own body, my own history, and my own lineage. It was through creating dances, specifically with my mom, I was able to learn about her history, her injuries in her body, and by us coming together and creating a performance, we began to build these bridges that we would have never built in our relationship had it not be through the process of creating movement and dance together. So that's something I really want to share with you all, so we can find pathways to connect to the people we care about and to the things that we care about too. Alright, so on all, thank you for taking your time viewing this video, spending this time with me. I really hope you join our community arts collective. Please sign up if you're interested, and I really look forward to meeting you all and learning about you and your stories, and I hope for us to have a place where we can collaborate, exchange stories, and create movements and have fun together. Thanks so much, y'all. See you soon.